welcome back to the channel. In today's beginner-friendly guide, I'll show you how to set up MCP servers inside Claude Code. Before we begin, make sure Claude Code is already installed and running on your device. MCP, short for Model Context Protocol, is what allows Claude Code to communicate with external tools, services, and data sources. To start, open your project directory and create a configuration file for your MCP setup. This is typically a JSON file where you'll define things like the server name, the command used to launch it, and any environment variables. Next, set up an MCP-compatible server. This could be a local script, a tool, or even an API service you want Claude to interact with. Once that's ready, go back to your config file and enter the server details. Be sure to include the correct run command and any necessary API keys or credentials. After updating everything, restart Claude Code so it can recognize the new MCP server. If your setup is correct, the server should appear and be accessible within your workspace. At this point, you can start using MCP tools directly in Claude Code to execute commands, retrieve information, or automate different workflows. That's it for this tutorial. If you found it useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful content.